So yeah, I sold the bike. No longer a biker.
Well, yeah, I sold the bike.
Oh yeah. So I was gonna go live last night, and we were gonna have some drinks and everything because I was drowning my sorrows. But yeah, we ended up just sitting in bed. It was very boring, but I was sad. Like I've had a motorcycle for 12 years. So even though like I hardly ever rode the damn thing, huh? It still kind of sucks that it's gone. Kind of sad. So yeah, this has been, well, it's been a weekend. I've been toying with the idea of selling the bike for quite a while because we hardly ride it and definitely need the money. So last week I decided to put it up for sale, and yep, yesterday somebody bought it.
Yep, yesterday somebody bought it. Yeah, it kind of sucks, but I mean, what's the point of having something that's just gonna sit there?
There's definitely other things to spend money on anyway. But we will get another baby. Facts. Yeah, someday down the road, who knows? But yeah, I've been thinking of trying to make some little wood knickknacks, candlelight holders, bathtub caddy, jewelry boxes, stuff like that. And I wanted to buy a bandsaw. I actually had one, but I sold it. But now I kind of want to get one again and get into making some knickknacks, try and make some extra money. So yeah, I may do that. $500 to shave the beard. Oh man, I don't know. I've had this thing for like 2 years now. Yeah, I'm not supposed to shave it until after Cher and I get married.
Until after Cher and I get married.
Personally, I don't care. I'm good with it either way. But I was sad. Like I've had a motorcycle for 12 years. Still kind of sucks that it's gone. But yeah, on to a new chapter. It's just a bicycle with a tiny little motor on it.
It's just a bicycle with a tiny little motor on it.
I mean, it was just me and Cher. Yeah, we would, we'd take it to go get groceries and stuff. We'd have fun. We'd go for little quick rides here and there. But now there's 4 of us here, and it's just not the same. Next question is, do I just, well, I've already, all that money's gone onto credit cards. But now I have to figure out if I'm going to buy a bandsaw or not. Dude, I haven't talked to you in forever. Yeah, I sold the bike this weekend. I only rode it like a handful of times this year, and kind of need the money anyway, so.
I found another house. No, I'm just
I'm playing. You like our landlord.
I lost my GoPro. It's in the house somewhere. It has to be. But yeah,
When we moved, yeah, we can't find it. Where's your phone?
it's in my pocket.
Oh.
Do you want it?
Yeah, I can't find it.
Where did you go? Was it Tennessee?
Who did?
Oh, old biker buddy of mine, Viper.
Next time you go to Tennessee, can you please call him? Because I need someone in Tennessee.
because I need someone in Tennessee.
Yeah.
Are you anywhere? What's the name of it
Hawkins
then?
County.
No, but the city. Kingsport. Are you anywhere near Kingsport?
Through the mic.
Love the robe, sis. I just took mine off not long ago.
It's from you, yeah. It's, what is it? Can't even see that.
Victoria's Secret?
Robe and pants.
So you took your robe off when I went live?
Don't even.
Don't even.
Don't even.
He lives in Hawkins County.
Do you?
Mm. Oh, we gotta.
Yeah, Summer Wells. She's my neighbor. Yeah,
Darn.